Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, we've upgraded the working space. We got a standing desk and I changed some bits around here. So I'm going to show you today how you can get a standing desk at a budget. I got all of this for under £200. We went from this to this. It's amazing, it's great. And obviously you might as well do like a office tour since I haven't done this. I think last time I did this was the second video that I've ever did, so I might as well do it. Not much has changed, but the big thing that has changed has been the desk. So let's start. So starting with this, I've always wanted a standing desk, a motorized standing desk that you can literally press a button and it goes down and obviously make it come up. Me being an online coach and now doing YouTube and doing a lot of editing, I do spend a lot of time, I used to spend a lot of time sat down, and I started to hurt to my back. It took longer to warm up when I went to training and all those kind of things started taking effect. So I wanted to get a standing desk. The problem is, standing desks are usually at least £400 with the desktop, so the tabletop and the frame. Really expensive. Obviously worth the money, but really expensive. That wasn't the money that I didn't have. So I set myself a challenge to find the budget standing desk. And I bought these two things separately. Tabletop is a 120 centimeter tabletop from IKEA. £15, really cheap. It literally, you can get it in 3 different colors. I think it's blue, white and black. And then you got the frames. The frame is the big one because that's the one that holds the motors, and that's the one that's going to help you go up and go down, right? There are many different frames, and this one was the one that had the best reviews. So it's from Amazon, it's on Amazon, and it's for 169. Dual motors, so it's motors on the right hand side, on the left hand side. So it comes up fairly quick and it goes down fairly quick as well. You have 4 different settings on the screen that you can save, or you can just literally just move up or down. And this whole setup cost, what was it, 170 plus 15, £185. Really cheap, and that's really it. Literally that's all it took. Assembling it was a bit of a tough one. It literally took a couple of tries to get it going. I thought I didn't have the right parts, but I was just using the wrong screws. But hey, let's talk you through what I've got going on. Let's turn around this, right? So we still have the trusty BenQ 24-inch monitor. I still use it, I still love it. We'll plug it into my laptop, and it's the one where I can pretty much just play anything that I can play. So obviously I use it for work, for coaching and for programming, and I use it to be on the PlayStation, which by the way, the PlayStation used to sit right here, but now we have a lamp. I got a lamp from IKEA. I needed one for a while. So we got a lamp there on the desk, and the PlayStation, don't worry, I haven't get rid of it. It's down here. You see, it's just right there. Tug it in, really hidden away. It's not too bad. I can literally plug it in, which is, the plugs are on the other side, and so I can literally just plug it in and get playing with literally not many steps in between, which is awesome. So still got the trusty MacBook Pro, we still got the keyboard and the Magic Mouse, which I'm hoping to replace really soon because I can't be bothered. Got the book of choice, which is 12-week year, and obviously this is my lighting setup to get some light bouncing back at me. That's my background light. And then obviously I got all my pens for the whiteboard and all the pens I use to write or document stuff. That's about it, like I said. And obviously we have this little cupboard that I forgot to show you. With my last desk, I had 2 drawers underneath or under the desk, within the desk. So I needed to get something to put all the stuff that I had on the desk. So that's what I have in there. So we have really all the stuff that you don't want to see, and yeah, it's just literally just rubbish things that you know like the things that are at the top of the drawers are the ones that I use the most, and the things that are at the bottom are the ones I use the very least, so that I don't need all the time. Yeah, really, so pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So it's under £200 for this whole standing desk. So you have £15 for the tabletop, and you get £169 for the frame. So if you're thinking about it, and if you've seen my desk and you see like, oh, that's a bit short, I kind of want it a little bit longer, the frame can go as wide as 170 centimeters or 1.7 meters, which is pretty massive. Obviously the space that I have this is a 120, and it's open up to probably like 115, which is more than enough for me. But if I had a bigger desk, or if I had a bigger space, sorry, I would definitely have a bigger desk, and I would probably open that thing the whole way. But it's still pretty good. Obviously when you stand it's quite wobbly, but it's not wobbly enough to make me mad. Everything's still strong. I can have coffee, and I'm sure it's not going to spill. Let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking of putting the monitor on a monitor arm so I can get more space on the desk, so hopefully get that sorted. But anyways, thank you for watching another video. I'll be coming back with more videos really soon. I've just been kind of like making this whole thing. So I sold my desk like 2 weeks ago. The frame took about a week to get to my house, and obviously all that kind of stuff, then building it and everything, taking the whole thing like a week and a half, 2 weeks. So, and I haven't felt like wanting to make videos because I didn't have like a proper workspace to do all the editing. But now I'm back. Let's get into it. Back into it with some fitness videos, and hopefully some new upcoming tech videos as well. But other than that, have a great day, have a great week. Make sure to subscribe, it really helps the channel. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you're notified next time a video comes out. I'll see you guys on the very next video. Bye.